In this video, I'm going to show you where to find peppercorn seeds in Once Human. So of course, you can get these by running around the map, gathering stuff, and completely randomly. However, for the best location, this is my favorite one. What I usually do is just teleport to Blackfell over here to the safe zone and look for Lacey, which has a shop. Okay, so this is this woman in front of me. Now I'm sure these shops are available in other safe zones as well. However, I just come over here. The reason being is because you teleport right around over here and you just run a few meters up to Lacey and you're done in a few seconds. You buy the seeds, teleport back home, and you can do with them whatever you want. Now if you talk to Lacey, you'll see that she has peppercorn seeds. Now I've just bought them before recording this video, and you can buy 3 per week, so 3 is the maximum amount you can buy per week, and they cost 1,000 energy link each. Okay, so that's important to know, and that's pretty much it. So you can buy peppercorn seeds over here and then plant them and do with them as what you want and use them however you want to. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.